Lil Olivo, he is my best friend. Lil Olivo, we made amends. Lil Olivo, he is so cool. Lil Olivo, he's in my school. Lil Olivo, he is the best friend. Lil Olivo, he is the best friend. Lil Olivo, he is the best friend. Remember those times me and Lil Olivo spitting rhymes, we were spitting bars. Me and Lil Olivo were getting dimes, we were buying cars, all that stuff. Me and Lil Olivo, all we do is get cash. Me and Lil Olivo, all we do is get rashes from the cash. Me and Lil Olivo, all we do is make bangers. Me and Lil Olivo in the club making bangers. Well, we touching on some bangers. Me and Lil Olivo, the firecrackers, because I'm just a white little kid. But Lil Olivo, he is Mexican. Lil Olivo, more like Lil Cool. Lil Olivo, more like Lil goes to school. Lil Olivo is getting an education. You know that we're in celebration because we're cool. Like the Temptations, you know we're cool. Not frustration.